Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Good Chance. In today's video I want to share with you one of the best IQ option strategy, and in this strategy today is one of the video I posted 3 weeks ago, and I wanted to make it clear because I get a lot of questions. People ask how to identify a stable market, and this is vital information you are supposed to know. If you fail to know which market is stable, you can't trade with any strategy and succeed in any financial market. Stability of market give you an edge for each and any strategy you are going to use trading, either in binary option, forex, volatility and stuff like that in any financial market. There is some information I wanted to make it clear of the strategy I use, combination of aware, oscillator and moving average. And I want to make it clear because people get some confusion how to use the strategy. So first of all, I am going to set every parameter in this I used in the past video I posted 3 weeks ago, and I will elaborate how to identify stable market first and how to use the strategy that I posted a video. And some people get confusion, ask me a question, why this do like this, and I wanted to remove those uncertainty. Okay, so for this strategy to work perfectly, make sure time candle period you use 1 minute. Okay, for each candle you see in my chart is 1 minute, and some indicator I use aware, some oscillator. Slow period I use period of 2, and fast period I use 200. Another indicator I use is moving average, that of 100, moving average of 100. Type I use exponential moving average. Here color I change and turn to white and increase thickness and apply. Time frame I use 1 minute. Okay, and the other stuff I think that is clear. Now I am going to elaborate which market is stable, how to know now market is stable, and right now this strategy will going to work. You see this candlestick around here, there is 1, 2, 3 candlestick. This candlestick give you clear information. So first of all, stable market is market that is predictable, that have a clear direction, no consolidation, clear candlesticks. They have very short tail to no tail at all. Vice versa is true. Unstable market, unpredictable, have no clear direction. There is consolidation. There is no clear candlestick. They have no clear body. You found there is many tail. Let me show you stable market. As you can see here, first candle 1, 2, 3, 4. This candlestick have a clear direction. They have a short tail, very short tail. If this price of this candle close and another open go down, if you fail to get the opportunity at the second candle, you are probably going to get the opportunity at the third candle or fourth candle. Okay, because this first candle and the second candle show us a clear information on the market, but make sure it rely on your strategy, is perpendicular with your strategy. Okay, but you can see here this information here of this price, there is consolidation, there is no clear direction, there is many tail wicks. This is unstable market, but stability of market happen time to time, and instability of market happen time to time. Within 10 minutes market may come to unstable, and within 5 to 10 minutes market may come to stability, and you get opportunity. So you can see around here, from this point until this point here, market was in consolidation. There is no stability. Even if you take a trade, you have a high chance of lose money because market have no clear direction. Even the strategy show you information you are supposed to sell or to buy, you are going to lose because market are in consolidation. They have lower body, high tail of their candlesticks. So you can see here price was clear, candlesticks are clear, have bigger body size than tail. This first candle give you an edge, for the second candle will be clear, but make sure you follow even a strategy. Make sure like this one, you see first candle is clear, second candle is clear, and price cross, and you see this candlestick is clear, have clear direction, have no tail, other have short tail, tail to no tail at all, you can just take a trade in one of these 3 candles and you are going to win your trades. So you are supposed to practice this in demo and identify opportunity and identify which market is stable and unstable in order you to win your trades once it comes to trade IQ option. So, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn notification bell on. Once I come up with another video, you will be notified. So let me trade on this strategy and you will know why I win and you will know why sometimes people lose in the strategy. This moving average give an edge of identify trend of the market. If the price is above this moving average, this is an uptrend, and if the price is below moving average of 100, this is downtrend. So sell for downtrend means lower and buy for uptrend means higher, and make sure all information of buy is perpendicular with aware sum oscillator that will give an indication. So I wanted to answer the question that people get confusion. Buy once you see aware sum oscillator printing red bars and their bar are going in ascending order. They are going in ascending order. Sell once you see aware sum oscillator printing green bar. Sell once aware sum oscillator printing green bar. So this work vice versa. If the price drop, aware sum oscillator printing green and going in ascending order, and buy once you see, and once you see aware sum oscillator printing red, work vice versa. And let me increase some currency pair and show you how to trade by use this strategy of using moving average of 100 and aware sum oscillator. And if you are new to this platform, the link of this IQ option is in description down below. Go and register, and make sure give this video likes, motivate me to do more video like this one that will help you to trade in IQ option. So let's looking for, first of all, just look for where price is trending. Look for identify trend by using moving average and make sure market is stable. So once I get the opportunity, I will elaborate why I take a trade. Here guys, you can see price have crossed down and going below the moving average. Okay, I sell on this market. Why? Because the price managed to cross below the moving average of 100, and we see aware sum oscillator is printing green bar and going up, increase in size. Might be in descending order or ascending order, but make sure are green for when you are going to sell, and let's wait to see our trade. And once aware sum oscillator printing ready and the price is above, I'm just going to share how to identify. You see, we win. Instead of being late, we win this trade right now. And let me show another example of going higher. Like this one guy, I going higher because aware sum oscillator is printing red bar while the price is above moving average. Okay, this is clear. You are supposed to understand. Once the bar is ready, make sure candlestick is above the moving average to find an opportunity to buy, and make sure the market is stable to increase the chance of winning your trades. Guys, don't forget to smash the like because it will motivate me to do more video like this, and leave a comment if you have any issue. You see, another second trade, we go and we use this strategy by going higher and going lower, and you see win at the first trade of going lower and win the trade of going higher by use this strategy. I wish you the best luck and practice this strategy in demo account before you go in live account. See you to the next week.